everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Anna from Sigma International Limited. Today we demonstrate how to select the correct zebra connect height. In this air conditioner remote control, the gap between the LCD and the PCB is 3.8 millimeters. LCD to PCB. The gap is 3.8 millimeters. When using a 3.8 millimeters height zebra connector, missing segments appear on the display. To ensure reliable connection, we recommend a compression ratio of 10% to 50% of zebra connector height after assembly. As shown, when using a 4.2 millimeters height zebra connector, the display works properly. However, height is not always better. Excessive compression above 50% may cause rainbow effects or ghosting. Above 50% may cause rainbow or ghosting. The compression behavior is affected by materials, hardness, and the zebra connector width. High hardness and wider zebra connector increase the stiffness and make the compression more difficult. Therefore, selecting the correct zebra connect height is critical for LCD performance. Correct height zebra connectors so we can get the stable display. If you're unsure about the right specification, testing different height is recommended. Our engineering is ready to support your design. Feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.